Hello guys, today I will show you 3 tips on Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus. The number 1 is scrolling screenshot. If you want to take a screenshot of something that has more than one page, by using this method you can do it in one single shot. First take the screenshot as you normally take, then you will see a scroll button pops up at the left bottom corner. This will disappear within 3 seconds, so press that as soon as you see that, and then keep pressing until all the pages are taken. So let me show you how that works. For example, you go to Google. Let's say you want to take a screenshot of all these pages. So take this shot as you normally take by pressing the volume down and the power button. Then immediately press the scroll button. So keep pressing until all the pages are taken. Let's say I just wanted to cover up to here. So now if you go to your gallery and to the screenshot, here this is what you just took. See, everything is here. You can scroll down and see all the pages in one single screenshot. Number 2. This is very simple, but not many people bother to change from default setting. I'm telling you, this is really helpful if you see your battery percentage in numbers. So I will show you. When you first get your phone, you always have a default setting. Here the battery is just showing with the graphic here, so you don't know what the percentage, right? So it's better to see the numbers. So to do that, just swipe down from the corner 2 times, and then you see the 3 dots. Click on the 3 dots and then go to status bar, then turn on show battery percentage. Now you can see here my phone is only 19%. Then give me an idea how long my phone is going to work. So really useful. I always keep this on, so just take advantage of that. Number 3, and really a cool feature that Samsung phone has. This is really a cool one when you can only use one hand. In this mod you can access all the apps with one hand without moving your hand or having difficulty reaching the top and bottom apps. So I will show you how to do that. Go to settings and advanced features, one-handed mode. Here you can set it up in 2 ways. First you have to turn this on, and you can swipe down the center of the button and then that will pop up, or double tap the home button. So I choose double tap the home button. So let's say I can only access one hand, so just double tap, and here with one single hand you can reach all the apps. If you want to use it with the right hand, just press this arrow button and that move to the right hand, then you can use your right hand. And if you want to get back to the regular mode, just press any outside area and that will go to your regular view. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you like my video, please hit like and consider subscribe to my channel.